This video will show you how to collect payment in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily collect payment from a guest during the stay. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation you wish to collect payment. Click Payment in the context menu that shows up. You are taken to the payment page of the reservation. Click Generate Folio to generate pro forma invoices for charges listed in the account statement. Select Mode of Payment. The full balance amount shows here automatically. This amount may be edited for taking partial payment. Click Pay Now button to accept payment. The amount paid and balance gets updated here. Click the Print button if required. Click Close. This brings us to the end of the video on how to collect payment in a reservation.